Corn-fed Automotive today. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This is an 06 Ford Taurus SEL, runs and drives excellent, very well maintained, tons of service records with it, clean title, no accidents, everything works on it. Tires are about 90% tread. I mean, everything on this car is in tip-top shape all the way around it. We're going to talk about financing today. You know, there's a lot of people out here today that don't have the best of credit, but that's not a problem. Here at Corn-fed Automotive, we specialize in helping folks that are trying to get back on their feet, trying to establish their credit, trying to get things rolling again. I've got a lot of great programs in place, guaranteed financing, guaranteed credit approvals, no matter if you've got child support problems, bankruptcy, or just lack of job history. All those things, we can handle those. That's no big deal. On this car here, it's simple. Go to cornfedautomotive.com, click on the financing tab. Once you're on the financing tab, you've got a couple options. You've got a normal credit application. Then we also got a special financing credit application. Click the special credit financing app. It's about 12 questions. Fill it out, submit it, and we'll give you a call hopefully within an hour, depending on how many applications we're processing, and we'll get you in a car today. This Taurus here, on average, $1,000 down, and you can drive away today. Give me a call, 319-343-0996. Corn-fed Automotive. Thanks.